Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a good spring clean of my entire first level of my home, minus the bathroom that's already done. But I need to get my spring cleaning done, and I'm sorry for the echo in this room. This is my office and I film a lot in here. So I'm breaking my house up into 2 levels just so I don't kind of overrun myself and just get overwhelmed by doing the entire house in one day. So I'm gonna start with the lower level since that's where we dwell most of the time. And I also want to mention to you guys that I'm using Pinterest for a spring clean checklist, because what is spring cleaning? Like, I immediately go to baseboards and cleaning the cabinets, but I don't actually know in my head everything that's technically spring cleaning. So this is the kind of a checklist that I'm going off of right here. So it's nice to have Pinterest to kind of show you what exactly should be included in spring cleaning. So you'll notice that I'm doing a few things that are on this checklist right here. And I also want to mention to you guys that today's video is in collaboration with Madison. Her channel name is Madison Hopper, and she is a cleaning queen as well. I'm definitely getting more into the cleaning videos, and I'm actually kind of starting to enjoy filming them. So I'm so happy to collab with her on this video. And she posts a lot of cleaning videos. So if you ever need that motivation to get your house clean, or you need something to watch while you're doing your cleaning, I highly recommend her channel because she does a ton of cleaning videos and it's so motivational to me. And she's also a boy mom and expecting another baby. So if you are a mom and like supporting other moms' channels, definitely go check hers out. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright you guys, I'm back to my old ways and I'm starting in the not living room, no, the dining room slash kitchen area. I love to start in here. I'm in the kitchen most of the day. I feel like I have a 5-year-old who always is wanting a snack, and then I'm always wanting a snack, and I'm washing bottles and preparing bottles. So as long as the kitchen's clean, generally I'm very happy. So if I get interrupted from cleaning, I'd rather have the kitchen already done. So that's why I start in here. And in this video, I'm going to be using Method products and Miss Meyer's products. I get asked all the time, and that's what I'm using.
You feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now.
Now, usually for my stovetop cleaner, I use the Wyman's brand. I could not find it, so we must be completely out, and I just forgot to order some. But typically, I would not use an all-purpose cleaner on my stove. It just doesn't cut the grease like it needs to. So if you're looking for a really good stovetop cleaner, I highly recommend the Wyman's brand.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances.
I feel like I really should add cleaning cabinets to part of my routine, but honestly, I ended up bruising my knee putting my weight on it, and it was so sore the next day. And I'm just not as young as I used to be, and as in shape as I used to be, and cleaning these cabinets made me realize it. But honestly, I actually got quite a bit of stuff off the cabinets. Even though you can't see in video, they definitely were looking a little dingy.
The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. No
a lot of questions on this cordless vacuum last time, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys, but there were a lot of questions about the reviews and things like that. I haven't had a problem with mine. I am obsessed with it. There's different heads on it, some for carpet, some for handheld, and some for the hardwood floor. And it does come with 2 batteries, and each battery lasts, I think, 50 to 55 minutes if you were continuously vacuum for that long. So technically you could get an hour in like 35-40 minutes out of both batteries, which I don't know anyone who vacuums for almost 2 hours straight. And I honestly, guys, I highly recommend it. It's so lightweight and so easy to use, and it just keeps you from having a headache and dragging a big clunky vacuum around.
You should know that I really do regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Whoa, know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You, baby, and me. We work everything out. No one can love me better than you, baby. Than you, baby. Than you, no one can love me better than you, baby. Than you, than you, no one can love me better. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better.
I could not believe how dirty my baseboards were. This rag was just sick when I was done cleaning the baseboards. Honestly, I probably should do this more than, I think I do it like twice a year, which is absolutely horrendous and embarrassing. But I think I'm going to do it maybe every other month when I'm deep cleaning, because this was not cutting it and they were so dirty. true spring clean fashion, it was time to pull the rug and the liner up, and it was so embarrassing how much crap came out of the liner when I took it up. I was like, oh my gosh, now everyone's gonna know how gross we really are. And as you can tell, there was little plastic food underneath it and a few hair ties, but I think this is something that I also should be doing more than once or twice a year, and I'm adding it to my list. That's going to be all for this video. I ended up doing my foyer and office, and this video just got way too long, so I wanted to show you guys the most of it, where I did the most work. And make sure you leave your video requests down below. If there's anything you want to see, I will gladly film it for you. And now go ahead and go over to Madison's channel. You will get yourself some more cleaning motivation, because she is, again, such a cleaning queen. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.